In today's tutorial, we're making mud flaps to bling our bikes. Here are a few that I've made so far, so you can do any shape you want. You can add whatever color you like to it. So it's a very fun project. I will show you how to make this one and how to attach it to the mud guard. We will start with drink cups with interesting logo design on it. So cut them out in the shape that you like. And use that as a template to cut out the scrap pleather. So any thick fabric that doesn't fray will work. Next, we'll make some holes all around the pleather piece. Now we use the pleather as a template to melt some holes in the plastic. So just get your, what's this thing called? This metal pokey thing. You just heat it up and be careful not to poke yourself or burn yourself. And we'll just melt some holes in the plastic. I'm going to saddle stitch this together, and after that is done, I will add an extra hole right on top, in the center top. So I'm using back studs. So these are screw-on type. If you're afraid that it will fall off because when you ride your bicycle it will vibrate, you can use this product and add some and then screw it on. It will cure when there's no air around it. So wait for like 20 minutes after you screw it on and it will be secure. So I didn't want to take the mud guard off to attach the screw. So what I did was I used a magnet to kind of lure the screw up the hole. Or you can just use some masking tape and wrap it around a screwdriver and just poke it through the hole. I hope you like this DIY. It's a cost-effective way to bling your bike. You can do many colors, any shape, and play around with the stitching. Okay, until next time then, bye!